Are you looking for a way to really connect your organization or business online? Maybe you're trying to reach out to new customers. Maybe if you're a church, you're trying to reach new people in your community. Well, there is a way to do it. Hi, my name is James Powell with JJ Media and Online Services. I am offering you a free video training just for signing up with your email. So watch this video, see the examples, and come along with us to get results. We look forward to connecting with each of you. Thanks. Have a great day.
Are you looking for a way to connect your church to the community around it? Giving your church a slightly different way of promotion. There is a way to do it, and every time someone searches for specific Google searches, your church will show up. It's called ranking in Google search. Click the link to sign up for free keyword training. Watch a step-by-step process using free tools. Sign up and put your church high in Google search every time. Sign up with your email.